Do you know the significance of cities of refuge in ancient times? Sanctuary, a word echoing through millennia, carrying the weight of countless hopes and fears. In ancient texts, the concept of sanctuary intertwines with justice, offering a glimpse into civilizations grappling with law, punishment, and redemption. The Bible, a treasure trove of ancient laws and narratives, provides a fascinating case study in Numbers chapter 35, the cities of refuge. Here, amidst the Israelites' journey through the wilderness, God decrees a system of sanctuary, a testament to his mercy, even in the face of human fallibility. These cities, designated as safe havens for unintentional manslayers, offer more than just physical protection. They embody a profound understanding of justice, one that acknowledges the complexities of human action and the need for tempered judgment. This chapter, though rooted in a specific time and place, transcends its historical context, offering enduring lessons about justice, mercy, and the very nature of sanctuary. Numbers chapter 35 opens with God's direct command to Moses. The Israelites, on the cusp of entering the Promised Land, are instructed to designate cities of refuge. These cities, 6 in total, are to be strategically scattered throughout their territory, 3 on each side of the Jordan River. This geographical distribution ensures accessibility for anyone seeking refuge, highlighting the importance of swift and certain sanctuary. Each city belonging to the Levites, the priestly tribe, becomes consecrated ground, a testament to the sacred nature of refuge. The Levites, tasked with maintaining the sanctity of these cities, are to ensure the safety and fair treatment of those who seek shelter within their walls. This divine decree, delivered amidst the harsh realities of the wilderness, speaks volumes about God's concern for justice and compassion. The cities of refuge were not mere hideouts, they were meticulously planned safe havens. A clear path, free of obstacles and wide enough for easy travel, was to lead to the city. This thoroughfare, known as the Road to Refuge, symbolized the urgency and importance of reaching safety. Signposts bearing the word refuge in Hebrew were to be placed along the way, ensuring that even those who couldn't read could find their way. Within the city walls, life continued. The manslayer was not imprisoned, but integrated into the community. He could learn a trade, contribute to society, and even find solace and forgiveness. This integration underscores the rehabilitative aspect of the cities of refuge, emphasizing the opportunity for a fresh start rather than endless punishment. The protection offered by the cities of refuge was specifically for cases of unintentional manslaughter, deaths resulting from accidents or unintended consequences. The perpetrator, gripped by fear and guilt, could flee to a city of refuge to avoid the wrath of the victim's family, the avengers of the blood. The law recognized the distinction between premeditated murder and accidental killing. This distinction, crucial for understanding the cities of refuge, reflects a nuanced approach to justice. It acknowledges that not all killings are equal and that punishment should be commensurate with the crime. This principle, though seemingly obvious today, was revolutionary in its time, demonstrating a remarkable sensitivity to human fallibility and the complexities of justice. The role of the Avenger. In ancient Israel, the responsibility of seeking justice for a murdered individual fell upon the family. The Avenger of the blood, typically the closest male relative, was tasked with pursuing and executing the killer. This custom, though seemingly harsh, stemmed from a deep-seated belief in the sanctity of life and the need for retribution. The Avenger's role highlights the communal nature of justice in ancient Israel, where responsibility rested not solely on the courts, but also on the family. However, the cities of refuge provided a crucial safeguard against unchecked vengeance. The Avenger could not simply storm the city and kill the manslayer. The law required a fair trial to determine the nature of the killing. This safeguard prevented hasty actions fueled by grief and anger, ensuring a just outcome based on evidence rather than emotion. The manslayer was to stand trial before the elders, the city's leaders. Witnesses were called, evidence was presented, and the circumstances of the death were meticulously examined. The elders, acting as impartial judges, determined whether the killing was intentional or accidental. If found guilty of murder, the manslayer would be handed over to the Avenger of the blood. However, if the killing was deemed unintentional, the manslayer found sanctuary within the city. He was protected from the Avenger's pursuit and could remain within the city walls until the death of the high priest. This period, though potentially long, served as a time of reflection, atonement, and reconciliation. The cities of refuge, though firmly rooted in the ancient world, resonate with contemporary discussions on justice and asylum. The core principles, the distinction between intentional and unintentional harm, the right to a fair trial, the provision of sanctuary from persecution, remain strikingly relevant in today's world. From international courts prosecuting war criminals to asylum laws protecting refugees fleeing persecution, the echoes of Numbers chapter 35 are undeniable. The plight of refugees seeking safe havens from war-torn countries, the complexities of international justice, and the ongoing debate surrounding asylum laws all find resonance in this ancient text. Are you ready for the next chapter? Just click here to go straight to it.